In the pursuit of a greener and sustainable future, we proudly present the journey of our remarkable achievement, the installation of a cutting-edge 1-megawatt solar power plant nestled within the heart of Rahim garrison. Harnessing the boundless power of the sun, this monumental solar power plant stands as a testament to our commitment to renewable energy and environmental stewardship. Months of meticulous planning, innovation, and dedicated teamwork culminated in the birth of this solar marvel. Engineers and technicians worked tirelessly, ensuring every detail was in place. 1,860 solar panels were carefully positioned, like nature's leaf seeking the sun's embrace. Their photovoltaic cells are the heart of the operation, converting sunlight into clean, green electricity. At the core of this power plant, advanced solar inverters and electrical components orchestrate a symphony of energy conversion, ensuring seamless integration with the grid. This solar power plant not only reduces our carbon footprint but also generates substantial saving in electricity cost over the years. With the help of this solar power plant, we will be able to generate around 1.44 million units per annum, enabling the Rahimyarkhan garrison to attain net zero billing status. By the help of this solar plant, we will also be able to reduce 1,152 tons of CO2 emission annually, that are also equivalent to 52,272 matured trees. Regular maintenance ensures the optimal performance of the solar power plant. Teams inspect and monitor the inverters on daily basis, ensuring they operate at peak efficiency. In this corner of our military sector, a silent revolution is taking place. A revolution powered by the sun, driven by innovation and fueled by a collective vision of a cleaner, brighter Pakistan. Join us. We continue to lead the way towards a greener tomorrow.